today is gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna get my exhaust done. I got my tips right over here. And then I'm gonna be putting on my new steering wheel. And then after that, oh my God, why did he slam on brakes like that? Then after that, I'm going to wash my car and vacuum it and get ready for Virginia Beach. Change of plans. We're doing the the steering wheel now. I got the airbag off and these little screws or whatever. My dad's gonna get this off and these, and I'm gonna get the rest off, this and that.
You got the right one, right? You don't want to strip it. I might have to do it or check it. If it's wiggly, it's too big. And then once you strip them
corners, but the
corners,
other one was too small. I'll be back. I feel like I'm almost done. Oh. I'm gonna have this off before he comes back.
two more. You got it.
Yeah. I'm already working. This little thing come in handy. Ooh. These ones are loose, and then these ones are really tight in here. Oh man, that would be too big. So you got all the sizes you need in here. You didn't even need to look through the thing. Ooh.
You taking this off?
No, my paddle shifters. I
I
already have the button.
I thought that came from the inside. I mean the other side. Guess I was wrong. Cause there's a hole on this side. Yeah, it's coming.
You know, we wasn't afraid he show up. The last time he showed
Oh
up.
man, I got more clips to take out. All right. I can't get it.
No, I'm just saying.
Where is it?
If you got it, then you never have any problem.
Yeah.
So
She didn't never call me back, so I got a call. This time I can
And this stemming from what was going on, because they already put a turbo in it and all that, and then they did the other shit. And now you have it all these.
And it's just saying that when they put their thing on it and they're going to put the same code, they're going to
take this whole thing apart.
The same thing
It
too.
should, unless you clear it.
No, I'm saying their scanner.
It should.
Yeah. I ain't clear nothing.
Yeah, I knew it was that one back there, because I saw a dude do it.
I'm just taking the clip out.
Oh.
I don't need to take this out, but I can't see the clip to undo it. Did he? Oh, no. See, I can't see that clip, so. Hello? You will be screwed together. At least I can see the clip now.
You don't have that done before you get here. You took it off herself?
Yeah, basically.
that she knows what she's doing.
I mean, it's actually not very hard. It's just you gotta find out how to get these clips out. That's the hardest part. Maybe it's the side. No.
So it's the top goes down.
Top go down.
Trying to do this one, right?
The brown. It's hard, ain't it?
Can't see.
Phew. Got all these tools. Okay guys, I'm almost finished. I changed out this button. I totally forgot to say that I actually had to change the modules for those buttons with the wires, only because the button that I did change was a different size, so I had to change the whole module because it had like a circle. I plugged in all my connectors. Now all I gotta do is put this in the middle and put that one back together because I still had screws missing, and then I gotta put my airbag on, and then I will be finished. But it looks good already. Look at it.
How'd it go? You put your drink in the juice holder?
Oh, you got me a lemonade? Thought you was gonna give me a Calypso.
Or what?
Calypso.
Oh, they kind of with the Family Dollar.
Oh,
Maybe get a case of water.
I'm gonna tell Family Dollar they need to buy some of them. I'm so thirsty. Oh my god, I can't get it open. I'm so thirsty, I can't get it open. Woo. Ah! Now I'm gonna plug the airbag up. Oh my god, something in my eye. Ah! This goes here. Then, where's the little screw? Oh, here it is. Oh, that goes in there. Excuse me. Can I sit up here? Or maybe I'll hold it with my head. Did he take the screwdriver? Oh, it's a star. Hold it with my head. Oh, it won't reach. Okay. Yup. Why won't it get tight though?
Looking good.
Now I just gotta plug this out. Should we plug up the battery and see if everything works first before we push the airbag in?
No.
You got faith in me?
Just make sure everything is plugged in good in the right way.
I got everything
And
in.
I'll hook the battery up. I'll just make sure nobody's sitting right there.
Oh, because even if it's out?
And if I plug it up and it go off for whatever reason, then nobody gonna get hurt. It's just you're gonna blow your airbag.
Then I can't make it to Virginia Beach. What happened with this one?
Nobody ain't gonna believe you put that in there.
Well, I recorded
You
it.
recorded.
Yeah, you did. Yes, you did.
I did record.
The whole thing? Oh.
Almost the whole thing.
Oh.
Just about.
It look good.
Yeah.
It makes it look new.
This won't screw in. It keeps...
You gonna change it down, so what's the difference?
Just gonna be.
Sorry, this info is a secret, but y'all see it later.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna sit it like this. You think that'll be good? Cause then we'll have to puncture it again.
Okay.
I actually had to puncture it a couple times. We couldn't get the airbag in or the horn to work, but then we figured it out. So, like that, and see if it worked.
You got everything tight?
I think so, yes.
You got the middle tight?
I did this. Yeah. I hand did it and then I tightened it.
All right, we'll get out the way.
I am.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
It's arrived!
Did you cut it on?
Why are you over here chewing?
Oh. I'm trying to figure out what's how you trying to do.
Actually, cut. You over here.
I can't help it scratching.
You know what I
Jump
did
in
with
the
the
passenger
socket?
side.
And I got all my teeth.
I think you put it away.
Tools back here. What you look for?
Socket?
wrench.
Oh, no.
All right, well, we didn't put an airbag. It's over there now. What you did? You did shit.
Socket.
All right. I'm coming. I gotta look at this.
Well, the airbag didn't blow. And it looks really cool, but now he gotta screw in my battery. He forgot the socket, so I'm gonna go and get it because he gonna take forever. That's hilarious.
So the one I have has a washer on it that's fucking causing a interference issue. So, let's see what see, it's the horn blows connecting this to that.
Yeah.
So that's the power, basically.
Yeah, this. This has to ground to that piece, and then these two pieces touching is the horn. But and my screw works, but it's got a washer on it that's hitting the side.
Science experiment. It looks so nice. There we go. Look how pretty. It's carbon fiber and it matches the other carbon fiber. Like, this is so nice. And the car feels a lot more snappy. I need to see if my check engine light come on again. It don't look like it's going though. Okay, so today I'm finally getting my exhaust done. Couldn't do it yesterday because it was too late and all the places were about to close. So here I am, 6:30 in the morning. Not even a morning person, and going to go get my exhaust done. I gotta be there before 7:30 in case there's like a bunch of people already there, like waiting for them to open. Because where I'm going is usually very busy, so I'm trying to be the first one there so I can make it to work by 9 o'clock.
Niggas be goofy, you know we clown them. We're hitting it. Shots at our phone, know what happened. Be doing that and that bapping. But back on. All niggas good at it, literally lacking. Going 25 it. I do it here at the crisis. 200 man trying to see.
So I made it to the place and they don't open until 7:30. But I got here like 7 and it is 7:26 or something right now, and the workers just got here, so hopefully I can be out of here by like 8:30, 8:40. That way I can make it to work on time, but like still have everything done. And there's more people here. They got here at like 7:20 or so. But I hope that I can be the first one, because it's first come, first serve, and I'm trying to get out of here pretty fast.